pay 10 grand, yeah.
Do it.
Yeah, I want to see. Go look.
Go down to like UVU campus and try to make friends with some of the faculty of the aviation program.
Oh, Fly C. Oh, that's fun. Is that just a motorcycle? It's like a side-by-side.
Fly C for flying car.
I retrofitted my little side-by-side for Street Legal, and I had to do everything to
So
get
you
that
know
ready.
exactly what
yeah.
I did. I went through all those same checklists you did.
Yeah.
The DMV laughed at me when I asked them when I went to register it, so I sued them in court and I won. It took me 9 months to do that. And she had to give me a VIN number. She's like, it's not going to pass safety inspection. 9 minutes. They're like Jiffy Lube, and I said, how much show you? I said, no, it's on the house. This is so cool, it's free.
That's cool. Those wheels look like they're made to land anywhere. That's super cool.
Is that a jet? So
Now,
cool.
you can see it's not a jet because it's got propellers. That plane might be 100 years old. I don't know. It looks like it's set up and ready to fly. That's where the air comes in for the engine. You want to go look at the Minecraft car, the Sherp? Yeah, see, it says diesel only on the middle of the wheels. Because that's the fuel tank. Oh, it's written in Russian. Только для дизельного топлива. There you go. Oh. Look at that. Well, at some point, yes. Not across the ocean. It might be able to, but... Look at that thing.
I'd make it a giant.
Be like a house on top of it.
So this is actually the door. This flips up and then this comes down. It's like a step. Oh, it made a big circle smoke ring. Oh, look, he's like tumbling. Oh my goodness. He's going 250 knots.
6 G's from smash down to the sea. Brad was also looking out left the sky. One of the all-famous crane handling
That's so cool.
Fred's got the power all the way forward, throttle that home. Oh my gosh, just 30 feet off the ground here, air show set.
Oh wow, look at that spin.
Incredible. Here we go, I'm going to show you some horsepower now. Take a look at that Marshall claw. Hold that up like a dog.
Wow.
As he pulls it up, he stands on that right rudder as we are sliding sideways. Caught up, we're going to climb nearly 3,800 feet. We're still climbing vertical. And then best
Whoa. That's a cool airplane. He's got 2 wings. Or 4.
Well, this is a big airplane. This is 21-foot wingspan, nearly 21 feet long, full gross weight, 2,200.
Wow. That plane's as big as my truck,
He's making
but
a
it
tornado
weighs
behind him.
only a fourth as much as my truck. The wings create a high pressure zone on one side and a low pressure on the other. And after the plane passes, the high pressure and the low pressure want to switch places, and so it spins like that.
On U.S. gallons, say about 450 miles around Air Show North, Air Show South. This comes back in this beautiful. Look at that Yak 50.
Oh, it's so quiet.
It's the Batmobile. All the cars are going!
Here we go. We got 2 cars. The 2 gentlemen coming down.
Oh, look at that. That's so fast.
Yeah, and there was only one side.
Whoa! Oh my gosh!
How about that, ladies and gentlemen? They can hear you.
And through the ring! And he's going again! Oh, that's so cool.
We're going to put that on grab.
Please tell me you got a video.
I did.
Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. We're pulling up high. We're going to pull over, coming down the phone.
Oh, it looks like a thumb.
There's 1 knuckle for it. There's 1 knuckle. 2 knuckles. 3 knuckles.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool! He's playing the opening for Hunt for Teacher. Oh, listen to that cam. .6. That guy ran faster than the Corvette. And you can see it's heavy.
GoPro on.
That car's electric, Tanya. This guy's going fast. Oh wow, he's driving it hard. Whoops. There you go. Ah, BMW. This guy looks nervous though.
Makes me want to drive go-karts again.
Flying Kid, of course, these are some very high performance RCs. Of course, but look at the skill of some of these pilots in these RC machines. It's absolutely amazing.